Alright guys, today we're just going to do a little fiberglass repair for a little boat that we have. Basic as any other resin, part A, part B. You got your resin and then your hardener / activator. Got a couple of good size holes in this little boat here. We've already put the first application in. You know, it doesn't look beautiful, but it is functional. As you can see, we had a couple of pretty good cracks inside of this boat. So we're just going to go ahead and do a little repair. Nice little rowboat. Something you might want to use with a trolling motor or something. And all you do is take your fiberglass mat, make sure you got a decent cut. I like to dip it in the resin and then brush a smooth coat over top when you're done. Let it dry. Simple as that.